Watch AI create a facility issue management dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our facility issues data into Bricks. The upload completes instantly, and now we click Create Dashboard. Bricks AI immediately begins analyzing our data, understanding the relationships between facilities, issue types, severity levels, and resolution times. The AI intelligently creates multiple visualizations including issue resolution flows, severity tracking, facility comparisons, and timeline analysis. Within seconds, our complete facility issue management dashboard is ready with 6 dynamic charts and 2 detailed tables. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand preferences. Now let's explore presentation mode, perfect for stakeholder meetings and executive briefings. This full-screen view highlights our key metrics with clean, professional layouts that make complex facility data easy to understand and act upon. We can seamlessly navigate through different sections while maintaining the polished presentation format. Exiting presentation mode, we return to the interactive dashboard where we can scroll through all components, drill down into specific data points, and explore the comprehensive facility insights that were automatically generated. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow.